In this video, I will suggest a way of fitting mirror plates to a picture frame in preparation for submitting work to an art exhibition. So why do this? Most exhibitions, open exhibitions at least, often require mirror plates to be fitted to the picture frame before the submission. This is to enable the technicians, the hanging technicians, to fix securely your picture frame onto the wall and to make it as quick and as efficient as possible. I have here an example of a picture frame from a local charity shop. I'll just flip it over. Normally, if you're going to present a painting or print or a picture frame, you would probably have brown tape around the outside. So I've left that off just for the demonstration. You may notice I put 2 strips of masking tape. I've only put those on just to help you see the pencil lines I'm going to put on. Now, I'm going to try and put the mirror plate into the center of the picture frame, and it could be landscape or portrait, but I'm going for landscape. So I'm going to get the mirror plate to fit on the center line. So I'm going to measure this, and it's about 330 millimeters. So that would mean that I'm going to mark the center at 165. And I'll just do the same to the other side. 165. Now that's the center of the frame. Just make it a bit clearer so you can see it. Now you're going to put flat side down because there's 2 raised areas here, which is to seat the top of the screw. So it's the flat side down, and I'm going to mark the top of the mirror plate, and I'm going to do this side first, and I'm going to use the pencil and just mark a hole on the top. Just do 1 hole, and then do the same for the other side. Now I'm going to use a bradawl just to make a hole to start where the screw is going to go, and in fact I'm going to put a pilot hole into it. So the bradawl, you know it's a woodworking bradawl because it's got a flat end, a bit like a screwdriver. So I'm just going to put a hole there. Okay. Now this is a hand drill. I've had this donkey's years, and in fact I got it second hand, and they're really good, the hand drills. They're quite cheap to purchase. This one has a really good chuck, so if you've got a very small drill bit, you can make the jaws of the drill go really small. Now it's important to make sure that when you're drilling the hole to put the screws in, so I've just done a drawing, the frame is 12 millimeters, so you don't want to go any deeper than 2/3. So bring back the drill. What I've done is put some blue tape on the drill bit. Now the screw is quite wide, so you don't want it bigger than the screw. You just want it thin enough to give the screw some thread so it tightens down. So the selection of the drill bit is quite crucial. This is a 2mm. So the screw is going to sit in the plate, so it's about 2/3. Put that to one side. So you could use a battery drill, but I think this using a hand drill is just as good, and you just want a small pilot hole. And I'm going to do the other side as well. Right, we now have two nice neat holes. So I'm going to get my screwdriver. Now I put a pilot hole in because it makes it easier for fitting the screw, and sometimes these frames are hardwood, so it is quite difficult trying to just use the bradawl. So it's flat side down, and the screw head is going to fit nicely into this kind of cup shape. So we can take the tape off. We'll come. You don't have to have the tape there, so I'm going to take the tape off. So let's put the screw in, and because you've put a pilot hole, it goes in dead easy. Just tighten it, it's nice and tight. Put the next one in on the other side. Now this screw is a Phillips head, so I'm using a crosshead or Phillips screwdriver. A lot of the smaller screws are slotted, and that's fine. It just depends what you can find to be appropriate with the right size frame. Now I'm going to do the two bottom holes, and the reason why I didn't do two at the same time is because sometimes, for whatever reason, the drill moves or the bradawl's not quite correct. So it does increase accuracy if you do it this way, so I know exactly it's in the right place. That's just to start it off, and then use the drill again, swing that round, and then do the same to the other side. Put that to the side, and then do the last two screws. And then the last one. Right, so we have now fixed the two mirror plates. Now, a good tip is when you present the picture frame to the gallery, it's sometimes ready for the exhibition and selection. It is a good idea to put some tape over the screw heads. Now the reason you do that is actually it's quite important really, because all the paintings do a better job of that. But anyway, all the paintings will get stacked up against the wall, so they're all stacked up. And by putting tape on over the screws, you're actually trying to stop scratching somebody else's painting or picture frame, which they spent a lot of money on. So that's a good tip. Well, I hope there's some help here and some takeaways, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.